Good morning, Dad. It's like 7:30. Good morning, Vader. Hey, baby.
Only 4?
Oh, you opened all your presents yesterday. Oh, Vader. Only.
Wow, what you got over there?
I'm opening this one. Hey, this one has a little crack.
We're going to open it. It's the big gum. Wow. Move back. What is that, a brain?
Oh,
Wow. Is that what you asked for?
yeah.
See, I told you.
I wanted the bull guy. Wow.
Chase.
May's got a bull guy too.
Where's the camera? Oh, I thought that was her.
Well, at least we
Back.
both got
Go.
one.
Go. It's too early in the morning for you.
Oh, we both have a new disc, Mace.
Quit hitting me with that tail.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
That's.
I'll check what's in here.
Sleep. Sit.
No, he
Sit.
said he didn't
Get back.
want it.
Get back.
That's nice. Santa.
That's just close.
Santa will remember your ugliness next year. Yeah, I know. It's not from Santa. It's from Mama and Papa.
You let him out, Mother.
Let him
You let him
outside.
out.
Means you got one too.
I do what? Let him outside. He won't go. It's real.
Open
It's
the door.
deep over his head. Come on, bud. Wow, what's that?
Sweater. A jacket.
Coat.
I'm not. Let me make sure that one's yours. Does it have a 7-8 in the tag?
Yeah.
Okay, it's yours then. Is
I wanna
that
play
cool?
with this
Well, what about
right
your
now.
stocking?
Yeah.
Your stocking?
What? What stocking?
Don't you have a stocking that you put out for Santa?
It's hanging on the wall, bud.
I put it in right
No.
Where the real stockings? Those ones. Oh, I haven't checked in my stocking.
Come on, Vader.
You guys have something right there, guys. Mom and Dad. Oh, yeah.
We'll get Dad's for him.
Pass.
Oh, okay.
I need a stool.
Uh,
Mine. I'm checking. Hey, I see something in here.
Wow.
It's like a present.
Looks like it's full.
go sit in the floor there. Yeah. Wait for. Can you get yours, Mace?
Come on, Vader.
It's a samurai puzzle. I can see right through the paper.
Cool.
It's one of those samurai papers.
Vader.
It's one of those samurai puzzles you gave my brother for his friend's birthday.
It is.
Nice. Whoa. Spider-Man puzzle. Let's check what else is in.
Wow, look at that.
Hey,
Vader.
there's something else. What?
And the dog is out over and he's trying to jump the fence.
Cartoon.
Cool.
Right.
But Andy? What?
Wow, Santa Claus is pretty good.
I got the Gold Ranger. Let's see what else is in there. This is the last one in there. What? Oh, mine has Porky the pig. Mine is shaped differently. What's else in here? Ah, the last one. Ah, you put that here.
What's that? Is that slippers?
Socks.
What is that? Andy?
They're sticky socks.
That'll be warm.
Monkey ones.
What is that?
Monkey.
That's
Monkey,
close,
monkey,
ain't it?
Socks. This mine is empty now.
Alright.
Wow, Santa left a lot of stuff.
I can't hang it.
That's
back.
okay. Just put it on the table.
I'll just hang it right.
Well,
Nothing
you
in
tired,
there.
Mace?
You ready to go back to
Yours
bed?
has nothing.
Mine has nothing, huh?
Yeah, we'd still be in the bed if you hadn't hosed us down this morning.
Yeah, this one has nothing.
Mommy didn't get anything. Oh, let's see what Daddy got. Daddy, open yours.
Wow.
Daddy's asleep.
I got a tag that says made in China.
Mmm.
Well, Mom has empty. I put a hand in there. A piece of coal.
Oh. So what did Santa think about Dad?
Coal.
Was Dad on the naughty list or the nice list?
It's naughty.
Bring your jacket and I'll unbutton it so you
He
can try
guessed the naughty.
No thanks. I want to open this.
Must not have been too bad. He took the time to gift wrap it.
Yeah.
Hers was the regular kind.
Alright, let's look at the camera and say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.